All right, scripting your funny ideas, part 22. Here we go. First one we got is idea. You're in a theater and you fart and everybody runs away. Sounds like a great idea. Alrighty, I'm in the theater. Let's go ahead and walk in. And wow, it looks great in here. And it says, my face when I realize it's not Thursday. It's actually, okay, I don't know what that is on the screen, but sorry guys, I'm a little late to the show. Let me just go ahead and take a seat. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Ew, stinky. And bro, why are they all running? Guys, and they're all gone. All right, well, great idea, bro. All right, next idea. When you say, I want to touch grass, you get teleported to an infinite grassland with an NPC that says, this is what you get for playing games too much. That is an oddly specific idea, but let's go ahead and try it, I guess. So I want to say, I want to touch grass, and oh, wow. And now there's the NPC. This is what you get for playing games so much. And I'm not gonna lie, it looks beautiful out here, boys. I wish I had some grass like this in real life. It's just a nice field of grass. It's just so peaceful. But okay, good idea. All right, next idea. If you hurt the NPC, it will disappear into the ground and come out with a whole army of noobs. All right, I'm not sure why I'm hurting this NPC. He did nothing wrong to me, to be honest. But we're gonna go ahead and pull my gun out and do some damage, I guess. All right, there we go. Now we've done it. And yo, he's back out of the ground. Hey, charge! Oh gosh, there's so many of them and I'm so dead. All right, well, that's what happens when you hurt an NPC, guys. The NPCs stand up for each other, I guess, and they're also killing each other, so it's not really working properly there. They literally all just killed each other. They're bots. All right, well, next idea, I guess. All right, idea. When you try to jump into lava and unalive yourself, the base plate covers the lava, keeping you alive. So as you can see, we have some lava right here. I'm not sure why we want to unalive ourselves, but let's go ahead and do it. And oh, it's gone. All right. Idea. If you enter a code 00975-419, not sure where that code's from, but into a keypad, a monster spawns and kills you. I really don't know where you guys think of these ideas, but okay, let's go ahead and enter the code 00975-419. Is this guy's birthday or something? Like, where did this number come from? Okay, anyways, enter. And yo, the monster! Oh, I'm so dead. And why is it so creepy? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna let it eat me, I guess. Goodbye, world. And yeah, I'm dead. Yo, where's it going? Oh, hey, buddy. It's going to kill the NPC. No! And no, it just spawned an army. Okay, and I'm dead again. All right, great idea. Next, idea. When you say, I'm glad Roblox servers are up, an NPC called Bloxfruit spawns, says no, and Roblox goes down. Okay, sounds about accurate, I guess. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and say that. I'm glad Roblox servers are up. Talking to no one, unfortunately. I have no friends, but here we go. And oh, Bloxfruits. Oh, I'm immediately kicked from the game. Roblox is now down. All right, next idea. If you touch a refrigerator, you freeze and die. Okay. Whoever wrote that idea has some weird phobia of refrigerators, I guess, but we're gonna go ahead and make his dreams come true. So as you can see, we have a nice Samsung smart fridge, you know, double doored, freezer on the bottom. We'll go ahead and touch it and oh, no, I can't move and I died. Okay, well, that was wonderful. Great idea. All right, next idea. Every time you set a bush on fire, a Bushman will kill you. And bro's name is Bushman. This guy has a fantasy about killing people who hurt bushes, I guess. All right, well, we're in the game and we have a nice little bush right here. Hold E, it'll light the bush on fire. Light bush. Okay, and the bush is on fire. And yo, the Bushman! Bro, what the heck? Is that a real thing? I don't even know, but okay, there you go, Bushman. All right, next idea. When you say I'm sick, a doctor appears saying, take this medicine now, and when you eat the medicine, your head blows up. All right, sounds wonderful. We're gonna go ahead and say in the chat, I'm gonna say, I'm sick. And oh, the doctor's there. And what happened to his hair and his beard? He said, hello, I'm your doctor. Take this medicine now. I'm not gonna lie, I wouldn't trust a doctor with hair floating above his head, but you know what? Oh, it fell off. Okay, maybe I can trust him now. All right, let's go ahead and take the medicine. All right, here we go. And oh, nice. I'm dead and he's dead. And I'm an NPC. What just happened to me? Bro, what? And why do I have a limp? Why am I hopping? What just happened? The medicine turned me into an NPC. Okay, all right. Next. Okay, idea. Whenever you type, I'm gonna make a channel, 25 to 50 NPCs come and follow you, and all of them spam, I'm a big fan. All right, well, that sounds pretty accurate. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Sometimes when you're a star creator, people will just say they're a fan, even though they have no clue who you are. Kind of wild, but all right, let's try it. I want to make a channel, and And oh, I'm a big fan. It's NPCs, literally. Oh, wow. I feel so loved. And why am I an NPC again? Bro, what the heck is going on with this NPC activity? I'm not gonna lie. I did not code this. I actually don't know how I just turned into an NPC. So this is interesting. But all right, next. Idea. If the game notices you're getting toxic in the chat, you are given a pill to relieve your toxicity. All right, I guess you would call that like a chill pill, basically. You know, you chill out with the pill. All right, I gotta be toxic to someone. I'm gonna talk to this NPC, even though he's not a human. He kind of just looked at me funny, so I'm gonna just say, shut up. And oh, here's a pill to relieve your toxicity. Yo, that's a pretty big pill. It's bigger than my forehead. Bigger than my entire head, actually. I don't know if it would fit in my mouth. All right, let's go ahead and eat it. Oh, wow, I feel great now. It's just, I feel like a new man. I'm sorry. All right, no, it doesn't make you do anything. This pill is horrible. Okay, next. All right, idea. When you eat food, you can jump super high and run really fast. Great idea, Mr. User Epic. Okay, let's go ahead and eat this slice of pizza. Even though this would probably do the opposite to your body, let's just see what happens. All right, I ate it, and hey, feeling good, boys. Oh, what am I doing with my life, bro? I'm running around in the base plate. Next. Okay, idea. Whenever you say, I'm not a robot, the game gives you a bunch of simple questions that will say, incorrect, please try again, even if it's correct. All right, so it's like you're filling out like a login information. So you're gonna go ahead and say, I'm not a robot. And all right, we have a prompt. It says, what's 7 plus 10? Okay, 7 plus 10 is 17, obviously. Wait, you're incorrect. Hold on. You know, let me just bring out my trusty dusty calculator, and 7 plus 10. 17! Yeah, I didn't need a calculator for that. I don't know why I pulled that out at all. It's 17. All right, well, there's your idea, buddy. Now you can just never get it right, I guess. Great idea. All right, next idea. Whenever you touch an NPC, you turn into it. Oh, I forgot about that. So that's why I'm an NPC. And okay, wait, that one doesn't do it. Come on, buddy. Come here. Oh, now I'm an NPC too. We're NPC friends. Oh, look at us. My only friend is a non-playable character. Lines of code. What's up, buddy? All right, well, I think this is just showing that I'm lonely. So next idea. Okay, idea. When you drink tea, a British person comes and says, you're not British, mate. All right, well, let's try it out. As you can see, there's a little bit of tea in there. It's coming out my hand. Looks amazing. We're gonna go ahead and take a sip of it. And oh, what the heck? You're not British, mate. And yo, why is this the British person? Okay, what am I saying? I already knew this, but look at them, bro. I'm sorry, but it was just too funny. They have a nice UK shirt on, and they have very cool hair. That's all I could say. And a nice face. Is this what British people actually look like? I don't know. Let me know, guys. But if I keep drinking tea, it'll just keep saying it. All right, I get it. I'm not British. What's your problem? And yo, they're pushing me. Don't push me. Hey. All right, well, great idea, but next. Okay, idea. When you say, I'm so tired, a chair appears, but when you try to sit in it, the chair disappears. All right, it's been a long day of doing absolutely nothing, so I'm gonna go ahead and type in the chat and say, I'm so tired, even though no one cares about my feelings. Anyways, we did it. And oh, look, there's the chair. Looks like a nice chair. Let's go ahead and sit down on it. And oh, ew, bro, I forgot about the sound. And oh, it's making everyone come out of the movie theater. Oh gosh. All right, well, good idea. All right, next idea. When you say I'm broke, a stack of money appears, but if you try to touch it, it teleports 10 studs away. This sounds like a wonderful idea, so let's go ahead and type in the chat, let everyone know I'm broke. And oh, a nice stack of, hey, why is it running away from me? A nice stack of money. Let me just grab that, and you can't grab it. If the slightest bone in my body even goes near it, it just goes away from me. Oh, I want the money. All right, well, next idea. Okay, idea. Whenever you say it's too dark, I can't see anything, you get a flashlight that is insanely powerful. It almost blinds you. All right, well, even though it's not dark one bit whatsoever, I'm just gonna go ahead and say it's too dark, I can't see anything. And yep, look at that flashlight, boys. Oh my goodness, that is blinding, bro. I can really see my face. I have a whole new skin tone at this point. Look, ready? Before, after. Before, after. Like, what is that? It makes the wall go white. And oh, imagine in the movie theater someone had this flashlight. You can't see the screen anymore. Okay, all right. Great idea. Next. Okay, idea. If you say I love it here, you go to the back rooms. Interesting. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and just say it. I'm gonna say, I love it here. And yo, I'm in the back room with a monster. Oh my gosh, this scary monster, bro. I hate this guy. Wait, pizza. Oh my gosh, I still died. Even with the pizza, man. All right, well, rest in peace me. The pizza couldn't even save me. All right, right, next we have idea. When you say, I hate this game, NPCs will come and say, leave then, and you'll be kicked. All right, well, here we go. I'm going to say, I hate this game. And, oh, NPC, leave then. You were kicked from this experience. Your opinion does not matter. All right. And I'm kicked. Great. I'm wonderful. Alrighty, boys. Well, if you enjoyed that video, be sure to leave a like if you did. Subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. And let me know down in the comments what funny ideas you want me to script. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.